Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be playing around with the new Juvia's Place Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette. I picked this up about a week ago from Ulta Beauty online, and guys, let me show you this gorgeous colorful eyeshadow palette. Now right away, what pops out the most is these gorgeous blue shades, but you also do have a row of greens in the middle, and then you have some more peach, pink, and purpley tones off to the side. I thought that this was a gorgeous palette, the perfect complement to the Wahala 1 palette, which I did do a review over. Gorgeous, gorgeous shades. Now, the difference between the Wahala 1 and the Wahala 2 is actually that, and if I can get this one open, there are more shades in the Wahala 2 than there are in the Wahala 1. So Wahala 1 had 25 shades. This new one has 30 different shades. And obviously the pan shapes are a little bit different. Now this gorgeous eyeshadow palette retails for $38 on the Ulta Beauty website. I know some Ulta stores have it in stock. However, none of my local Ultas had it in stock. That's why I did have to order it online. Now, the Wahala 1 is only available on the Juvia's Place website, and of course you can get the Wahala 2 both on Juvia's and at Ulta. Now, in this Wahala 2 palette, you are getting a nice mixture of different formulas. You have some mattes, you have pressed glitters, you have shimmers, and you do have some duochromes in here. I just love the color story of it. I'm drawn to these colors, guys. You all know I love playing with colorful makeup, and Juvia's Place definitely knows how to do color right. Let me just give you a little bit of a backstory on the meaning of the word Wahala and kind of just a little brief story that's included on the Ulta Beauty website with regards to this eyeshadow palette. Wahala is a Nigerian pidgin word meaning drama, trouble, and intensity. Juvia's Place was heavily inspired by the craftsmanship of the festic mask with a twist, which embodies the first Liaba, also known as Queen Mother of the Benin Empire. A mask must come to life by the wearer of the mask to symbolize a mood or feeling. Take a journey through different color families with icy cold silvers to periwinkle and aquamarine blue greens. The party begins with the beautiful orange and maroon shades, all of which symbolize an intense feeling of emotions that come with a dramatic effect. Featuring shades made to play, you'll find a full spectrum color with everyday wearability, making it the best eyeshadow palette to wake those eyes up under your masks. So guys, I can't think of a more perfect palette to use than one that is inspired by beautiful face masks from around the world. I know right now, guys, we are really going through it here in the United States. Please, guys, wear your mask to not only protect yourself, but to protect others, and don't forget to social distance. Before we begin the tutorial portion of today's video, I'll be including swatches that I did of this gorgeous Wahala 2 palette in natural lighting so that you can see what they are going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. If you want to see the new Juvia's Place Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette in action, keep on watching. what are your thoughts on these two different eye looks? Totally different eye looks. You'll notice, guys, that I really, even though the blue is what pops out at you first from this palette, at least that's what popped out to me first, I didn't really do a complete blue eye. I just added a little bit of blue to my lower lash line on the right eye, but I really wanted to do like a silver moment, like a winter wonderland moment. So in swatching this palette, this one right here, which is Gobi, this was amazing. As soon as I swatched it, I knew I had to use it in today's tutorial, and this is what I decided to come up with. I didn't do any heavy eyeliner, guys. I really just kind of tight lined both of my eyes, and for that, I used the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid eyeliner. Guys, this is like $4 or $5. You can find it at Walmart, Target, on the Wet n Wild website, at Ulta. This is a really awesome eyeliner, so I highly recommend this. And anytime you guys see me using a black eyeliner, more often than not, guys, it's going to be this one. I also go in with, where is it? It's the pencil version of this Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. And I just kind of use it to line my upper waterline. And sometimes I'll use it to do my lower waterline, but not today. For that, I use this eye. I use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Chaos. And then for this other eye, I decided to use the NYX. This is the Epic Wear Liner, and this one is in the shade Frosted Lilac. So that's what I have going on the lower lash line. Mascara, I use the Marc Jacobs mascara, trying to finish this one up. This is not going to be a repurchase for me. I just, I don't know. I don't really like the way it makes my lashes look. But let's dive back into this palette because I thought it was so easy, so beautiful to work with, guys. You'll see the two different shades I used, and I didn't get very much fallout. The shade that gave me the most fallout, but for being a pressed glitter was not bad at all, was the shade Gobi, which is this gorgeous silver foiled pressed glitter. But other than that, guys, very minimal fallout. So if you're like me and you don't like to do your eyes first, I don't think it'll be a problem. Just to be safe though, I would lay some powder down right in here. That way you can easily brush whatever fallout you do get away. Guys, every shade I used in this Wahala 2 palette performed phenomenally. I had no problems blending out any of the shades. They were pigmented, they were easy to blend, and they just look really pretty on the eye. I was able to create two totally different looks using this palette, so don't feel like it's just a blue palette or it's just a colorful eyeshadow palette, because you'll notice I kind of just used these shades right here to do this eye, and at first I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a really neutral look, and then I was like, no, I started going in with the shade Oya, and then I went in with ASAP, and that kind of, you know, took it to a next level, kind of made it a really smoky eye. And then of course the duochrome up here, which is fake, really pretty. So overall, guys, I think if you love colorful makeup and you just want something fun for the holidays, because you definitely can achieve some holiday looks with this palette, I would definitely pick it up. For the price, for the quality, I think it's just a beautiful, well-designed eyeshadow palette. If you're able to pick up the Wahala one, I think they complement each other really nicely. The shades in here, guys, are beautiful and they perform really well. However, I will say that the pressed glitters in this one gave me more fallout than what was in the Wahala 2. And that's what I remember from my tutorial and initial impressions over this palette. So that's just something worth mentioning again. You can, I think, buy these as a bundle together on the Juvia's Place website, and you might save some money that way. But I do know that this Wahala 2 palette is in stock right now on the Ulta Beauty website. So wherever you prefer to shop, just make sure you shop. I will have all of the products that I used today linked in the description box down below. Some of them might be affiliate links. So if you do end up purchasing from those links, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. All right, guys, now it's time to hear from you. What did you guys think of the looks that I created? What did you think of the Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place? Did it catch your eye? Is it on your wish list? sound off below. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here, and I really do hope that you guys are enjoying my content. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.